I'm going to show you how to make a caterpillar using craft paper. Like this. So let's start with the video. For making the caterpillar, I have taken 2 sheets of color paper. I have a pink color paper and a white color paper. Now I am going to cut circles in these papers. Now I am going to cut 3 more circles like this in the pink craft paper. Now I have cut 4 circles in the pink craft paper. Now I am going to cut 4 circles in the white sheet of paper. And now I am going to cut 3 more circles in the white paper. Now I have cut 4 circles in the white sheet. Now I have 8 circles in total. Now I am going to stick them together. We are going to stick them one on top of other. Like this, I am going to stick all of them together. So now I have stuck all of them together. Now I am going to draw the tentacles on a white sheet of paper. We are going to draw 2 long sticks. And now I am going to cut them out. And now I have cut out the tentacles. Now we are going to stick them to the caterpillar's head. We are going to stick it here. We have to flip them over and stick it. Now we are going to flip it over and we have the ears. Now we are going to draw the eyes and the mouth. We are going to draw a small oval. We are going to make it cute. Now we are going to draw a small mouth. And now our caterpillars is ready. So now I am going to give the caterpillar we made to my brother.
Thank you. Thank you.
So that's how easy it is to make a caterpillar. And if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can see my new videos. And
Bye,
friends. Bye.
Bye. Yeah.
See you in our new video.
See you in a new video.